All right, YouTube. So back. This video gonna be a little quick. It's just basically just showing you different ways you can, prevent rust from coming back, and treating the bottom pan of your floorboard and stuff like that. So I got this can right here from Walmart. It's a 2-in-1 rust reforming seal. So basically, what you want to do, you just want to go ahead and just sand down most of the rust. I done did that side a little bit. You want to sand it down a little bit and knock off all that loose rust. And then once you get that all cleaned up pretty good, you just go on and spray it on. I'm gonna do about 3 coats. I done did 1 coat over there, but I'm gonna show you how it looks before and after. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned in, and thanks for tuning in. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So it turned out really nice. This is the stuff that, like I said, I used, and this video is not sponsored, by the way. It's just my opinion on what I want to choose and try, and I seen this and I said I'll give it a shot. So it turned out really nice. I like the color that it came out to be, like that matte color. And yeah, so if you decide to try to do this to save yourself a little bit of money, and I highly recommend it. Yeah, so y'all like, share, subscribe. Hope y'all like this video. I know it was short, and thanks for tuning in.